Hala, super fresh. Ayan. Hala. Hala, lapas pa kayo, guys. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Para masabi mo talagang fresh na fresh, you can check the eyes. And then the hasang. Ayan. Titingnan mo yung hasang. Oh. Pulang-pula pa, oh. Super pula ang hasang. So, meaning, fresh na fresh. Ayan, oh. Grabe, guys. At tapos, tigas pa, oh. Matigas pa. Saka fresh. Ayan, oh. Diba? Ayan, oh. Fresh na fresh. 1 kilo to. How many pieces in 1 kilo? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. 16 pieces in 1 kilo. Oh, ang dami. Oh, dami, guys.